Good morning, guys. How are you today? Yeah, at the moment we are here in the Newcastle Park. I think it's the name is the Porshore, and as you can see, that is the Newcastle Beach. That is the Newcastle City Center, and this is the residential area going all the way to the Merriweather Beach. Merriweather is known for surfing because there are some surfing champion that was living there. Eh, yeah, it's not about that. Today I'm going to show you this electric bike from Cube, and basically this is composed of Cube, the bike itself, and then Shimano, and then the Bush. Bush is the motor that is powering this electric bike. This is a Cube Acid 1400, and if I'm not mistaken, there is a new model which is 1500. And yeah, so basically from here you're going to see the disc brake. This is actually a hydraulic disc brake, both of them by Shimano. And you see the brand, this is the Cube brand, and the tire is, if I'm not mistaken, is 29ers. And you see it's also German brand. Yeah, most of these are German brands, so made in Germany. For sure some parts are made in China. It's always like that. And in here you're going to see this Albion. This is the computer of this that is going to control the bike, and the power button on is here. If you switch that on, it will show you the different mode. There's just a plus and minus sign here to adjust the speed. Also there is a shifter here for the gear. It comes with the 9-speed gear, and with the Altus Shimano derailleur. This is basically a mountain touring bike, all-purpose hybrid. And if you notice this one, this is integrated to this design. Really, what is that here? And this is the boss, and this is the battery. This is the Medrive motor, Bosch Active Line Plus, and this is the battery. If you push this one, you're going to see this battery. At the moment it's locked because I lock it with this in here. You can lock it there. The battery is Power Pack 400, also by Bosch. If I'm not mistaken, this bike is still waterproof, even if there's something like a motors like this. Yeah. And I noticed that this rim is very small, but the tire is the 29ers. Because I'm not really familiar with the bikes compared to that guy. For sure that guy knows everything about bike, because his bike is very expensive looking. Electric bike is amazing because I'm actually coming from the city center, and I bike all the way to that beach. If you can see that beach, and there is a zigzag way going uphill, and I reach this place. I was actually coming from that place, going up there. Yeah, and I am now here. As you can see, this is almost the highest, next to the highest part of this area. That's the highest part, but going there is really easy now. We're not going there anymore. Yeah, I think that's it. I think you should consider buying electric bike, because electric bike is good. It helps not to have emission that destroys the environment. Actually, pedaling going uphill is really easy. It feels like you are pedaling in the biking in the flat surface, not going uphill. Yeah, if there's a electric bike shop in your area, you should try. It is a good experience. For sure you will like it. Yeah, I think that's it, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.